This no deposit bonus right here on the screen is one of the easiest no deposit bonus which you can actually just claim, trade, and place withdrawal at ease without any stress. It's one of the easiest no deposit bonus at the moment. Now, I wasn't able to claim it for myself because I made a mistake in the process. So I'm making this video very clear so that everyone can actually just take their time to go through it and actually claim the bonus without wasting time. Now, I'll be showing you 5 steps on how you can actually get the bonus without wasting your time. Firstly, you need to first click on the link I'll be adding to the comment section that will be taking you straight to the site. It might actually take you to my Telegram channel, but in the Telegram channel, you'll be seeing the link that will take you to the site. Now, once you click on the link and it brings you to the site, you need to first fill in your details into this first step right here. This is the first step, the first thing you need to do by filling in your details and make sure you fill them correctly. And in this section that says I have a promo code, that's the mistake I made, and that alone made me that was the reason why I wasn't able to get the bonus. Now, this right here, there's a promo code I'll be adding to the comment section together with the link that you add to this set to this space right here. Once you add the promo code, that will make you eligible to get the bonus. Now, once you add the promo code and you fill in every details, you click on proceed right here, create your account, and create your account will log you into the site. Now, once you log in into the site, you have something like this on the screen, a demo account of $10,000. Now, the second step, if you click on this three line at the top right here, it will bring you options like this. And in the options, you select my profile. Now, my profile will bring you details like this. You see, I've been verified. Now, all you need to do is to make sure you get verified. Once you're verified, you get the $10 into your account immediately. Now, to get verified, you click on security and KYC, this right here at the top. Now, if you click on it, this also will take you to a section where you actually need to submit your details for verification. Now, in that process, there are two things you need to do right there. You need to first link this account with an authenticator app, and also you submit your ID for verification and do a liveness check. So, all right, this two section is where you'll be able to do and add your authentication, and this second one is where you'll be able to do a liveness check and submit your ID for verification. So once that is done, now let's go to the third step. Now you just need to click on that three lines showing at the top, which also bring you options like this. Now you go back to the main menu, my account. Now once you come to my account, you see mine is showing 0 because I made a mistake. Now since you once your verification has been verified and you have this right here showing 100%, once you have it showing 100%, you should be having $10 in your balance just like this. Alright, so let me just quickly show you how I was able to get the terms and conditions, and it's pretty easy. I'm sure you don't want to sleep on this. Now see right here, I just chatted the support. I would love to know the terms and condition, and you can see I dropped the message for them in the support space, and they actually gave me a reply, which I'll be showing you in the video right now. Alright, so let's take a look at the terms and conditions. You can see you must use a promo code and complete KYC verification, and then you receive the bonus. And also once credited, you need to grow that $10 to 150 USDT, and then you can place withdraw it as easy as that. So you don't need to waste time. Once you done verification, you just need to proceed to trading the bonus, and I'll be showing you how to trade with this platform, giving a simple explanation. Now back to the account, you can see right here I'll be placing a trade on Euro USD. Now see this section that says duration, you select the minute you actually want the trade to run, and right here trade value, you input the amount. So I'll be using 5 USDT for the trade value and 1 minute time frame for the duration. So after putting that, I just clicked on I for on Euro USD. So I'll be fast forwarding this with, since it's a 1 minute time frame, so I don't need to actually wait for the 1 minute to be completed. Now I just put in 1 minute and clicked on higher. So you actually need to just select higher as for buy and lower for the sell, as you know, just like trading with MT5. So I selected higher and placed in $5 for the value. Now you see I just won it for the return, which I got 8.5 USD for my return. Now if you actually check my balance right now, check the balance, see 13.50 USD showing in the balance, additionally with the amount which I made. Now that's as simple as that. You just need to put in the duration, if it's 1 minute or any other duration. Now if you want to select the currency pair, you can see it right here, AUD USD. I just changed it from Euro USD to another currency pair. So it's as simple as that. You just need to put in the currency pair, put in the duration, and put in the trade the value which you want to stake. It's just like selecting a lot size. So I hope everyone understands every single process which I explained in the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, give the video a like, and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss out anytime I drop updates like this. And you can also join the Telegram channel to always stay notified anytime I drop updates. Have a nice day, guys.